The best way to make the most out of your drinks package is to know which drinks to order, and I'm going to tell you which ones you should be ordering on your next cruise. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some valuable tips to help you make the most out of your Carnival cruise when it comes to the Cheers package. Whether you are a coffee enthusiast, a cocktail connoisseur, or just looking for some ways to save a little cash, we've got you covered, so let's get started. Our first tip is all about keeping your thirst quenched without breaking the bank. Now, when you order a drink on the ship, it's essential to know that drinks ordered through room service are not covered by the Cheers package. But here's a smart workaround for you. Order water, juice, or Gatorade and take them to your cabin. Keep them in the mini fridge and voila! You've got yourself a fully stocked mini bar in your room. No worries about ordering drinks through room service. Now, let's talk about coffee. If you're a coffee lover or find the standard cruise ship coffee less than satisfying, then the Blue Java Cafe is your go-to spot. Specialty coffees here are included in the package, which means you can enjoy premium brews without extra costs. Think caramel macchiatos just like Starbucks. And they've even got spiked coffee, but remember, those count towards your daily alcoholic drink limit of 15 drinks. Don't forget to like and share the video if this has been helpful for you. This leads us to our next tip. Did you know you're not limited to ordering what's on the menu? You can order any drink you want at any bar on board. The talented bar staff can create any cocktail your heart desires, so don't hesitate to get creative and explore new flavors during your cruise. Time to talk about saving some cash. To make the most of your drink package, purchase it before you cruise. Carnival, like other cruise lines, often offers discounts for pre-purchase packages. Make sure you buy it by 11:59 at least 48 hours before your cruise embarkation day. Trust me, it's worth planning ahead. Now, time for some cocktail wisdom. When it comes to ordering drinks, think about getting more bang for your buck. While those blended drinks like Bahama Mamas and Pina Coladas are delicious, cocktails with more liquor than mixer tend to give you more value. Consider classics like Manhattans, martinis, and gin fixes, or drinks that can be served neat or on the rocks. These usually have less mixer and might cost more, but hey, you're covered up to $20. You'll savor the flavor. Now, if you're curious about different cocktail options, check out the Educated Barfly video where he demonstrates 50 different drinks and how they're made. This information is golden when it comes to getting the most out of your drinks package, and I'll link it down below. Using this video, you'll be able to see what goes into your drinks and how you might want to change how you order your drink to get the most value. And here's a bonus tip for you. If you're feeling like you need a stronger drink, don't be shy. Just ask the friendly bar staff to bring you another shot in about 5 minutes. Now, let's say you ordered a pina colada and you want more rum. Well, order that shot, toss it in your glass, or toss it back for that extra kick. So there you have it, our top tips for making the most out of your Carnival cruise when it comes to the beverage package. Please take a look at this video because YouTube says you probably would like to see it. See you next time.